It is here. Welcome to Live Good, the membership club that pays. Yes, totally different concept. We are now adopting the business model membership club. That's the reason why it's considered the great disruption and it has really shocked the industry. Ang dami pong nagulat nung dumating si Live Good thinking na paano nagawa ni Live Good yun? Paano nagawa yun? Paano nabago yun? But here we are right now, still continuously shaking the industry at ang dami na po talagang nag-embrace sa concept ng Live Good. Alright? So, tell you more about Live Good. We are the first to market membership club in the network marketing. Yes, we are marketing membership club. Tayo ay mga affiliate members who are marketing membership club. Alright? Kakaiba po to kasi most of the companies, in fact, all other companies are marketing products. Tayo po, we don't market products. This is a subscription model company. The company that decided to fix the broken network marketing model. Kasi yung traditional way po, since product-centered sila, ang ginagawa ng mga companies, talagang gina-jack up yung prices ng mga products nila. Bakit? Kasi kailangan nila yan to pay off all the expenses and at the same time to give income dun sa mga kukunting top earners nila. Di ba? Noticeable naman iilan lang talaga